Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to talk about December global festivities. Yes friends, December is unquestionably the most festive month of the year. The month is marked by all manner of events and festivals around the world, including religious, cultural and even corporate events. December holidays that makes winter brighter around the world, from Christian festivals to pagan celebrations. This month is full of special days. How many have you heard of? In this video, I'm going to talk about loud, colorful, and increasingly commercial Christmas might dominate this time of year in many countries, but it's far from the only celebration taking place in December. In fact, the month, which marks midwinter and the shortest day in the northern hemisphere, is full of events worth celebrating. From modern festivities to ancient pagan rituals, here in this video I'm going to talk about holidays that happen around the world each December. The popular holidays in celebration in December. Krampusnacht, a centuries-old Christmas tradition in Germany and the other parts of Europe. Krampusnacht is said to be when the Krampus, a beast, demonic figure and the antithesis of jolly Saint Nick, arrives in town to reward good children and take wicked ones away to the underworld. Similar to the concept of naughty and nice list, but way darker. And when it is celebrated on 6th December 2021. Next one is Hanukkah. Yes friends, you already know, also known as the Festival of Lights. Hanukkah is an important Jewish festival which runs of 8 days. The religious holidays is a celebration of Judaism and commemorates the rededication of the second temple of Jerusalem. Friends, people celebrate by lighting candles, gifting presents and eating traditional Hanukkah food such as latkes. Friends, when it is celebrated, Hanukkah moves but starts between late November and late December every year. In 2021, it will take place from November 28 to 6th December 2021. Next one is Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia or Saint Lucy Day is a feast day in the Christian calendar celebrating Saint Lucy, a martyr who is seen as a figure of light in the darkest part of the year. It's an especially important day in Scandinavia, where the day is marked by atmospheric processions and concerts featuring singers clad in white and wearing headdresses featuring actual flickering candles. When it is celebrated annually on 13th December. Next one is December solstice and Yule. The December solstice, known as the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere, marks the shortest day and the longest night for half of the world. Yule is an ancient pagan celebration associated with that moment in midwinter. Many modern traditions like caroling and Yule logs, which is used to be an actual log, not a chocolate cake, stem from an ancient 12th day festival. When it is celebrated by modern pagans. Yule is in December solstice will be celebrated from 21st December to 1st January 2022 and the 11 days after. Next one is Christmas. We probably don't need to tell you about this one. Yes, a major celebration in the Christian calendar. Christmas traditionally marks the birth of Jesus. However, plenty of people around the world celebrate Christmas for non-religious reasons too, embracing the commercial side of the holiday. Turkey presents decorated trees at all. Different countries have developed all kinds of unique ways to celebrate that very little to do with the holiday's religious beginnings. In Japan, for example, a trade Christmas dinner consists of KFC. When it is celebrated on December 24, Christmas Eve, and December 25, a Christmas Day. Next one is Kwanzaa. Yes friends, first celebrated in California in 1960s. Kwanzaa is an annual celebration of African American history and culture, culminating in a communal feast. Festivities typically include dancing, performance and candle lighting. When it is celebrated on 26th December to January 1 in this year. New Year Eve. Friends, you don't need to have had a year as challenging as 2021 to want to mark the end of its style, the final day in the Gregorian calendar, which is used in most of the world. New Year Eve, also known as a Saint Sylvester, is always celebrated with a bang, usually in the form of fireworks, display parties, musical performances, picnics. Edinburgh in Scotland, through a particularly stellar bass, it's an annual Hogmanay blowout, while in Iceland, New Year's Eve is the only day of the year where it's legal to set off fireworks. And when it is celebrated, you already know, 31st December, last night of the year, and there are many more festivals, but these are some most popular and important festivals of the year. Friends, December is not just a month to treat yourself to finer things in life. It's also the perfect season to appreciate those who have truly made the ending year and worth living by showering them with befitting gifts. Thanks to all, and thanks to God also, to have wonderful year. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.